and then we use these two. You have to use those two. So I'm going to use those two just to make sure I follow the code. I follow the rules. Alright, so let's go. Open these. Yeah, these things sometimes can be super tight. Alright. Alright, so you start with this purple and then you do the cement, the glue itself. So let me start with this. Prime everything. Let me just clean up. Start remove all the so I'm gonna start with these. And then you leave it to dry for a second before you can hook up everything. Clean up these one too. You just put a little bit around, especially the areas you're gonna put the glue on. Now you just stand it like that so you can dry it. I can close that. Just make sure it doesn't bleed. Bleed on me again. All right. So now it's the moment of truth. I'm gonna start with the long one. You just put it in and twist it, and then hold it to dry. There it is. Let's hold it for like 30 seconds. And then it will dry and fit in. And that should be good. Yep. There you go. So I'm gonna glue this and let it dry before I can even attempt to put that tub. So I don't want to screw up. All right. All right. So let's try this other one. Then you just push it all the way in, and this glue also acts like grease to help it slide in there. So just hold it there for a second and get it to dry. Looking good, looking good. And that one is in. All right. Let me make sure my thing is level here. It looks like it. All right. Okay, so this is the thread, the threaded one. So you just put it around here, and then in here. Make sure you get it really good. And then you get it, push it all the way in here. There it is. I just want to make sure that it's level. Perfect. That looks level right there. Nice. Yep, it's level right there. And it's in all the way in. I see it. So mess it up. Perfect. So that is perfectly level now. It's not gonna, there's like a slope there, so it's not gonna be level there, but this way it is. Awesome. So that looks awesome. So great. So that's all fixed. I wasn't sure if I should put this first or do it what the tab is in here, just to be safe. But I think it's a good idea to put it in here, because then when the tab comes here, I won't have to deal with try to get it in. Because I already checked and it works. That looks good. Perfect. So that one is all plugged in. I know it looks a little bit that way, but I can always like move if I have to fit in. All right. So that's done. Just wipe off some of these extras. Guys, I got that done. My drain plug is fixed. So the only thing I need to put in here is the tub. All right. You could do this too. It took me a couple of days to think about it, but I got it done. If you like watching things like this and like to learn how to do these things, let's do this together. Let's build a community. Let's support one another, all right? Thank you guys, and thank you for your support.